So we're here today, another deck remodel. This old house obviously needs a new deck. So what we're gonna do is totally flip this whole deck, tear it all out, give them a brand new deck, brand new Trex decking. So this thing's gonna be totally updated and look a heck of a lot better. Check this thing out, it's gonna be pretty sweet. So we're signing off this deck build we did here in Tri-Cities. We got a chance to come over here and completely redo a deck. It's about the same size as what it was, but we redid the whole thing, redid all the framing, put brand new rope swing Trex decking up here. This thing turned out pretty cool. This is a color we haven't done yet before. That turned out really amazing. Check this whole thing out.